Manually hardware firmware update. In this video, we'll show you how to get the firmware updated on your hardware if the auto update feature doesn't work. Disclaimer: this process can break your device if steps are not followed properly. If the device gets bricked, the only option is to send it to one of our representatives to get it fixed. This option should be the last option attempting to upload the firmware on the charger. We recommend using the web interface for uploading new firmware, so make sure you watch that video first. In case you have an older version than 3.0, the web firmware update will not be available. You need a laptop or PC with a regular USB port or adapter and a mini USB cable for this process. In front of the charger, there's a mini USB serial port used for the firmware update. To ensure the device gets recognized, you must install the CH340 driver for the ESP8266 device that runs on the charger. Download and install the Windows driver. After this step is completed, head to the megacellmonitor.com website to download the flash utility and the firmware. Select the COM port for the charger. If you're not sure which one is it, unplug the cable from the PC, click on refresh, note the available ports, plug the cable back, hit the refresh button and select the added port. Without the CH driver, the device might not appear on this list at all. After you select the COM port, browse and select the firmware file. Default settings will work fine, but you need to make sure you have the Erase Flash option set to No. Erasing flash will break the device and you cannot repair it without sending it to us. Click on Flash Node MCU button after making sure the settings are correct and wait until the process completes. If you get a successful message, you can now unplug the USB cable and hit the reset button. New firmware should boot and you can move to the setup process afterward. Thanks for watching.